Okay, students, good morning. See, today I want to introduce an important problem to you. See here, in ellipse chapter, see what the problem is. If P is if P is any point on ellipse, P is any point on the ellipse. Ellipse is given equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and s dash are foci of the ellipse, then prove that PS plus PS dash equal to 2a are constant. This is our problem. If P is a point or any point on the ellipse, see, draw ellipse. See, this is our ellipse. X dash, here y dash. See, these are intersecting at a point center equal C equal to 0, 0. See, S dash, S is a focus here, is in the focus. So the ellipse has two focus. S and S dash are foci of the ellipse. See here, P is any point on the ellipse. Let us take C. P is a point here. Join ESP, PS or SP. See here, this is a directrix. You know the definition of the directrix. That is L. This is in the direction L dash. Okay. And PS also PS dash. So we join PS dash. And also this is PM. M is the projection of P on the directrix. Or this is the perpendicular distance from P to the directrix. So that is a PM. Also, here also drop another perpendicular, or M dash is the projection of the P on the L dash, the directrix. See. Now write one by one here. Given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Next, write the coordinates. See the center of the ellipse 0, 0, and also S you know a, 0, or s dash equal to minus a, 0. Next, what is here? This is a, let it be a dash. A equal to a, 0, and a dash equal to minus a, 0. All you know, let this one P x, y be any point on the ellipse. Let's see. You know this is Z, this is Z bar. Z is the projection of S, Z bar is the projection of S dash. I have written everything here. Now see, we have to show this result. Also we know A dash equal to 2A. Okay? Yesterday we proved. Now SP or PS. SP or PS. What is SP? What is our conic definition? SP by PM. PM equal to E. Or here, this side, what is this side? We have S dash P. S dash P by P dash M equal to, this is the definition of a conic. See, implies SP equal to EPM and S dash P equal to E into PM dash. This is the value of SP and SP dash. Now we want PS plus PS dash summation. It means you take LHS PS plus PS dash or SP or S dash P. EPM plus EPM dash. Or you take here E common, E into PM plus PM dash. Here take E. What is PM? PM or MP plus M dash. This is nothing but M dash. M dash. Okay. See? MP plus PM dash, that is MM dash. Also you take E into EMM dash is the line parallel to this one, Z dash. So you can write this one as Z dash equal to E into what is Z dash? The distance between Z and Z dash. What is this? Is this part is, this is A by the distance between Z to Z dash. This is A by E. So 2A by E cancel equal to 2A. See, once you go through the problem, this is A by E part. This one also A by E. So the distance between that one and that equal to 2A. So once you see, given ellipse is given to you, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here, center, the coordinates of center, it is the intersection of the x and y axis or major axis and minor axis. That is 0, 0. One side of the focus equal to AE comma 0. This side the coordinates of S dash are A minus AE comma 0. See, we have to show this result. See, SP by PM equal to E, that is conic definition. SP equal to EPM and this side S dash P equal to EPM dash. Now we have to add these two. See, E is common, PM into PM dash. See, PM plus PM dash equal to, what is its value equal to actually MM dash. MM dash is parallel to this one, this axis. See, it is equal to Z dash. You know the value of Z dash, that is 2A by E. E cancel equal to 2A. So we have the result PS plus PS dash equal to PA, 2A or constant. This is an important one. Now we'll take another. See, whenever you know the basics, the concepts or definitions, you can solve any problem in this chapter. See, in this chapter also we have only one exercise. Actually, two exercises are there. So the second one is deleted for this academic year. Now see, again, I will take the ellipse. See, this is x, x dash, y, y dash. This is the center 0 comma 0. And you know this is focus, yes. Here second one s dash, and this is a, this one a dash, b, b dash. See everything you know. You take a point here, P. Take a directrix here, one more directrix here. This is the PM, PM dash. You know the coordinates of S, AE comma 0, here AE comma 0. Here this side is a negative. And what are these coordinates of A comma 0, A dash coordinates are minus A comma 0. This is 0 comma B, B dash equal to 0 comma minus B. Everything you know. This is one side of the directrix. This is second side of the, left side of the directrix. You write all here. First write what are center equal to 0, 0. Next, what's after center? Yes, S equal to AE comma 0, the focus. Okay. Next, after C, S, A. What is A? A equal to A comma 0. A comma 0. Here, A dash equal to minus A comma 0. Here also you write S dash equal to minus A comma 0. Next, B, 0 comma B, and B dash equal to 0 comma minus B. And is there any next? See, equation of this axis, this one, that is y equal to 0. You know already. Next, length of lattice rectum. What is the length of this one? Yesterday we proved that result. Length of lattice rectum. What is this one? B square. It is 2b square by a. Yesterday we proved. Length of the lattice rectum we proved. Next. Major axis. What is major axis in this problem? This is the major axis. So, major axis length of major axis equal to 2a. This one is minor axis. Minor, M-I-N-O-R, minor axis equal to 2. You see, is there anything left? Once you go through that part, C is given, S is given, and what are the remaining length of the major axis, and 1, 2, 3, and this one given. Okay, eccentricity. Eccentricity, there is E equal to A square minus B square by A square under root. Root of A square. Yesterday I showed that one also to you. Next, what is anything given? Equation. Okay, one more is there. Equation of directrix x equal to plus or minus A by B. This is A by E, x equal to this one A by B. Here x equal to minus A by E. Equation means x plus or minus E equal to A by E equal to 0. See, these are the 9 things how you observed from this diagram. Now see, we will take another one. What happened? Another shape of the ellipse. Another type of the ellipse. See here, This is for x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Now here you take another one, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, when a is less than b, where a is less than b. This is the second one. See, what is diagram? One by one you see. I will draw this diagram here. See, the shape of the diagram is like this. X dash, this is y dash, same, center, C, 0, 0, this is S, this one is S dash, this is L dash, this is the lattice rectangle, and draw directrix, this one L, this one is L dash, and you take any point P here, SP. See, you write all one by one here. See, center 0, 0. Next, first one. Second one. What is the foci of these two? What are the foci? These are x coordinate 0, y coordinate b, or s dash equal to 0, minus b, or you can write directly plus or minus b. Next, what is the center is over? This is a, this is a dash, or b dash, whatever it is. What are the coordinates of a here? Here see, you write the first coordinate. What is the first coordinate here? 0. 0. It means on y axis x coordinate 0, and this is plus b, a dash equal to 0, minus b. Separate version. Next, a is over. Next, equation of axis, that is x equal to 0. X equal to 0, here y equal to 0. Next, length of major axis. See, in this diagram, this is the major axis, that is 2b. Next, length of minor axis, that is this part. This is minor part, the small one, that is 2a. Next, eccentricity equal to b square minus a square by b square under root. This is the here a square minus b square by a square. Here the eccentricity is equal to under root of b square minus a square by b square. Next, here the axis is over, eccentricity is over. Equation of the directrix. Equation of directrix. See, what is the equation of the directrix in this? See, equation is see y equal to be one side, second side minus b. So y equal to plus or minus b by e. Next, is there any left? Okay, one more is length of lattice is also over. See, is there anything left? Once you observe, focus given, center given, S given, a dash is given. Is there anything left? Okay. Well, length of lattice rectangle. Length of lattice rectangle. See, here 2b square by a in this diagram. This is 2a square by b. See, these are the information we remember, because these are all important while doing the problems in the ellipse. See, this is first step of ellipse. When a is greater than b, Here when A is less than B, these are the two types. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood this information.